ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಕುಂಭಕುಚದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾರಗಳು ತುಂಬಿ ಗುರುಳ ಮುಖಕಮಲ, ತುಂಬಿ ಗುರುಳ ಮುಖಕಮಲದ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಜಗದಂಬೆ ವಧುವರರ ಸಲಹಲಿ. We are in the midway where Sri Vadaraja Tirtha has beautifully described the form of Lakshmi Devi. Starting from the 5th Padya until the 16th Padya is a beautiful description of the form of Lakshmi Devi and the adornments or the embellishments which is owned by her. So in this Padya, Sri Vadaraja Tirtha has beautifully described about her face, the beauty she holds. ಕುಂಭ ಕುಚದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾರಗಳು. Lakshmi Devi has an adequate breast on which is placed the great garland. ಇಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾರಗಳು, placed the great garland which is also very appropriately placed on her. ತುಂಬಿ ಗುರುಳ ಮುಖ ಕಮಲ. Tumbi is a bee. Tumbi Gurula Mukha Kamala. To the lotus face of Lakshmi Devi, Mukha Kamala, the front hair of Lakshmi Devi is like the bee which is humming on the lotus face of the Lakshmi Devi, says Sri Vadaraja Tirtha. Tumbi Gurula Mukha Kamala the Mahalakshmi Jagadambe Vadhuvarara Salahali. Lakshmi Devi, Jagadambe, who is the mother of all, the protector of all. Let her protect our bride and the groom. Vadhuvarara salahali, protect our bride and the groom. Kumbha kuchada mele imbitta haragalu. Generally, a garland is an embellishment which highlights or which complements the neck of a person who is wearing it. But here Vadaraja Tirtha, see the poetic lines that he has used. The garland that Lakshmi Devi is adorned with is actually complementing the breasts of Lakshmi Devi, is what he says. Of course, both Lakshmi Devi's breast is complementing the garland which she is wearing, and the garland which is owned by her is complementing it. It's interdependently complementing each other. This particular poetic way of expressing two complementary things which are complementing each other can be seen in Kalidasa's works, many of his works. In the next line, even in the next line which says Tumbi Gurula Mukha Kamala, this type of complementary poetic lines are used. Here the Lakshmi Devi, she is very upright. She is the most beautiful person in the world. So when she wears a garland, it just perfectly fits her. It doesn't move and it doesn't slouch, and it perfectly fits her. And there is a speciality said in Bhagavata about the garland which Lakshmi Devi wears. It is given by Saraswati to Lakshmi Devi. So proudly, majestically, Lakshmi Devi wears it. Tumbi Gurula Mukha Kamala. Lakshmi Devi's face, it's like the lotus. The lotus face of Lakshmi Devi is adorned with the front hair which is on the lotus face of Lakshmi Devi, and this curly front hair looks like a bee, tumbi, honey bee. A bee is always complemented by the lotus. Even for a realistic example, if we take a photographer will click the picture of a bee humming around the lotus. That will complement. Of course, the lotus gets its complement when a bee hums around it. Likewise, here also, the lotus face of Lakshmi Devi is complemented by the front curly hair of Lakshmi Devi, which is like a bee to the lotus face. The bee to the lotus face, which is the front hair of the Lakshmi Devi, is complemented because her face is like lotus face. It's very beautiful. Again, here in this second line also, both the lotus face of the Lakshmi Devi, Mukha Kamala, and Tumbi Gurula, the front curly hair of Lakshmi Devi, which is like a bee, are complementing each other. So Lakshmi Devi, who is the most beautiful person, we could say, And such a Lakshmi Devi, Jagadambe Vadhuvarara Salahali. Here an adjective is used by Sri Vadaraja Tirtha where he describes her as Jagadambe, the mother of all. Being the wife of Sriman Narayana Sarvottama, she is the mother of Brahma, Rudra and all the Devatas and each and every one of us. This Jagadambe is just not used because to fulfill the element of rhyming here. The Padya which describes the breasts of Lakshmi Devi, in that Padya Sri Vadaraja Tirtha has used Jagadambe. Because it's the breast of a mother which will protect the child, which will feed the child, especially in those years where the child needs an extreme care. So here when the stuti or stotra or the praise of the breast of Lakshmi Devi is done, and in the same Padya when Jagadambe is used, the intention behind this is clearly that Sri Vadaraja Tirtha wants Lakshmi Devi to protect us like a mother who protects a child. Of course, the mother protects the child with her breast at an early stage when the child needs an extreme care. But as we are completely dependent on her, completely dependent on the Sarvottama Sri Hari, we need a care and protection from her throughout her entire life. And let that Jagadambe, who is a mother of all, Lakshmi Devi, protect us protect our bride and the groom. Vadhuvarara Salahali, bride and the groom. Kumbha Kuchada Mele Imbitta Haragalu Tumbi Gurula Mukhakamala Tumbi Gurula Mukhakamala the Mahalakshmi Jagadambe Vadhuvarara Salahali. Some of these examples which Vadaraja Tirtha has given here can be seen in one of his Grantha Rukmini Shivajaya, which is a great kavya which has been a renowned kavya. And in that kavya, Sri Vadaraja Tirtha has used some of these examples which are further described while describing Lakshmi Devi's beauty in that kavya also. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.